All right, so in Kotlin, we have a thing called string template. This allows us to inject variables or expressions into a string. Let's take a look at an example to see how it is done. So first, let's create a variable. Let's call it slogan. We'll make this of type string, and it's going to equal to just do it. Oh, whoops. So you guys know where this is from, then that's a bonus. If you don't, that's okay. And just like how we would normally do it, let's print this out. And we're going to create a little prompt. What is your favorite slogan? Let's put a colon. And before, if we want to add this variable into it, we'll use a plus and then the name of the variable, which is slogan. And that is concatenating it. But if you guys hover over this, it will say convert concatenation to template. There is an alternative, and that is string templates. This allows us to inject it directly into the quotes, and it will work perfectly fine. So to start off, or to create a string template, you will literally just add a $, and then use the name of the variable. This will let Kotlin know that you're trying to inject a variable into the string. And in this case, we have a variable called slogan, and it's holding the value just do it. So if we run this, we get what is your favorite slogan. Probably should have put a question mark. That's okay. But then just do it. We see that Kotlin injected a variable into our prompt, and it worked perfectly fine. We don't have to add a plus and then the variable. And it's a very convenient, way of doing things instead of having to do all that extra stuff. We are not just restricted to just variables. We could also inject expressions. And what I mean by expressions is we can use, the methods that come with a string, which is to uppercase or to lowercase. So let's see that in action. And let me just put a expression injection. So let's see. Let's print ln again, and let's put least favorite quote or slogan. And let's copy this, and let's put least favorite slogan. Now, what is my least favorite slogan? I'm just go with we got the meat, because I really can't think of any other slogan. But I'm not gonna forget the question mark this time. And then we're gonna add this colon, and we're gonna inject an expression. All right. So right now we have this slogan called "We Got Some Meats," but I want it to be uppercase, just to add emphasis. So I'm gonna use a $, and I'm gonna put open and close brackets because we want to let Kotlin know that we're gonna use an expression, not just a regular variable. So I'm gonna put the name of the variable, which is least favorite slogan, and I want to use a method that will uppercase this slogan. So I'm gonna put dot, and then I'm gonna put to uppercase, and this will let Kotlin know that the values within this variable, I want it to be uppercase, as the name implies. And if I run that, boom. What is your favorite slogan? Just do it. And least favorite slogan, we got to meet. So this is pretty convenient. I don't have to do any extra stuff. I can just, as I'm typing, just inject it right in, and it works perfectly fine. And actually, this is not really a question. This is kind of, what is your least favorite slogan? That's perfect. That's proper English. All right, so that's how you guys inject or use string templates to inject variables or expressions into a string.